Alright guys, I got the bus all back together, adjusted the valves on that side, and took all the accoutrements that I put on it. One of the things I was going to try before I put air in the cylinder was shoving rope down the cylinders, another kind of way to do it, and then you have the piston come up and the rope goes into a ball and holds the valve up. VWs have an air tin that you're about that far away from the plug hole, so trying to feed it into the hole was became too difficult, so that's why I ended up going with the compressed air. So it's do or die, and that motor was close to failing. It only had one keeper on it. The other keeper had already fallen off, so if it lost that top section, that valve was going to fall right in. It would help if I put the spark plug back in. I knew it was cranking a little funny. Alright, I'll show my bloopers too. Sometimes you just get in a hurry, you know? I wonder why I was cranking funny. I'm like, well, it doesn't have compression on one of the cylinders. Somewhere I have another extension. There it is. Okay. Yeah. That would be the plug. Alright, we'll just pretend that never happened. You guys want to stay back here? You can stay back here. Well, that worked out good. I think I'll be happy with that. I gotta adjust that belt. That belt's flapping a little bit. A little coal here come up off the choke, and she'll be good. So we'll let that run for a minute. I think we're good. That was a good save on that one. Good thing you didn't run it much more. And a little while ago, I got a call from VW Fool something, and he said he's doing a pick over at a house. He said you might be interested in some of the stuff that they got over there. And I went over there, and they had a hutch that I picked up, and that will be the dresser. The drawers are down here. That will be the dresser for the bus, and I'll cut that down to about 8 inches, and we're going to work with that material. And of course it came with the top, not that I need it, but it came along for, that was getting knocked down, or they're selling it or whatever, so everything had to go. And said you could have it if you take that piece with it too, so I did. And I want to thank him for hooking me up with that. That's that guy. So that should be a project soon. My dog alarm is going off. And I think this guy's a goer. All right. One down. We'll see how the kids are doing. Okay. Yeah, I got nothing for you. Mom will be back with some worms. Alright guys, thanks for watching.